Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for all things product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something truly exciting lined up for you. The absolute best drill driver extension set currently available in the market. That's right, we're diving deep into the flexible drill bit extension set by OFNMY. So, if you're into DIY projects or just need to tackle those hard-to-reach spaces, you're in for a treat. Now, let's get right into it. The OFNMY Flexible Drill Bit Extension Set is a game-changer for anyone who loves to get their hands dirty with projects around the house. This set isn't just your average drill extension, it's a comprehensive kit that's designed to make your life easier and your projects more efficient. First off, let's talk about what you'll get with this set. It includes a bendable drill bit extension, a 105 degrees right-angle drill extension, a set of 3 universal socket adapters, 3 drill bit holders, and a 10-piece screwdriver bit set. That's a whole lot of versatility packed into one package. Now, let's break down some of the standout features of this set. The 105 degrees right-angle drill attachment is a real game-changer. It's quick change compatible and fits most power drills, rechargeable drills, and manual wrenches. Perfect for those tight corners and awkward angles. But wait, there's more. The set also includes a trio of socket adapters in various sizes, allowing you to connect to standard hex nut drivers, impact hole saws, and more. Plus, with the included drill bit holders in 3 different lengths, you'll have no trouble reaching those deep recesses. What I love most about this set is its versatility. Whether you're working with pneumatic screwdrivers, electric screwdrivers, or manual drills, this kit has got you covered. It's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson. And there you have it, folks, the OFNMY Flexible Drill Bit Extension Set. With its wide range of attachments, durable construction, and unbeatable versatility, it's truly the best drill driver extension set on the market. So why wait? Level up your toolkit today and tackle those projects like a pro. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy drilling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. This is your host signing off from Product Critique. Catch you in the next video.